Dear Dr. Lauren J. Cohen, DMD. 20 months ago, we embarked on an adventure of wedding planning. You, a gracious bridezilla, and me, a groomzilla. We together planned the perfect wedding. 10 weeks ago, the world, and yours more than anyone else I know, got flipped upside down. And after a lot of initial sadness, we were able to look forward to this day again. Let's celebrate like it's 5/24/2020 and no other date on the calendar matters.
Happy wedding day, Bubba. We've been waiting for this basically since I fixed your collar, and I'm so happy it's here. You are the most incredible, thoughtful, loving, most handsome guy. I can't believe I'm the lucky girl who gets to be your wife. You make me feel so special every single day. You are my biggest fan and #1 housekeeper. You're my best friend, and we are going to have the absolute best life together.
The most remarkable moment in life is when you meet the person who makes you feel complete. The person whom you share a bond so special that it transcends normal relationships and becomes something so pure and so wonderful that you can't imagine spending another day of your life without them. Marriage brings a new commitment, and it is one built on a strong foundation. It is a promise that has existed in the way that you have supported, appreciated, and encouraged each other long before today. Today you take the first steps on a new journey, a journey that brings adventures, challenges, and moments of courage. It is without a doubt that your love is ready for this next step. Do you, Sam, take Lauren as your lawfully wedded wife?
I do.
Lauren, do you promise to love him, comfort him, honor, and keep him as long as you both shall live?
I do.
Lauren, you are beautiful on the inside as you are on the outside. And to us, more importantly, you love our son beyond measure. You have made our son the happiest he has ever been. I don't think his feet have touched the ground since he fell in love with you.
By the power vested in me by the Commonwealth of Massachusetts, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Sam, you may now kiss your bride. For the first time as husband and wife, I now present Mr. and Mrs. Samuel Andler.
Lauren, a long time ago before you knew Sam, you asked me, how will I know who the right one is? I replied, you will know. A father worries about who that man will be. Will she really know if he's the one? I'm so happy that you've chosen Samuel and that he has chosen you. It's truly a blessing when each of you thinks that they are getting much more than they deserve.
Samuel, how lucky are Dad and I that you are our son. You are a wonderful brother to your sisters, and you are the truest of friends. I know you will make an amazing husband to Lauren, and someday you will be an amazing father to your children. Until that time, my children, love each other, take care of each other, and enjoy the journey.
I promise to always support you to achieve whatever you dream. The two of us working together make a pretty awesome team. I promise to be your rock when times get tough. I promise that no matter what life throws at us, you will always be enough. I promise to try to be the best friend and wife to you. I promise to try my best in everything I set my mind to. So I guess now is as good a time as ever to say that I'm so excited to become your wife today.
When I think about Luke and Lucy and how I met you during your time as a nanny, the memories bring tears to my eyes. When I think about our car ride to Maine, when I told you you were my best friend, it brought and still brings tears to my eyes. Proposing on the roof, dinner with our families and grandma and grandpa, tears. Watching on Zoom as you graduated number 1, tears. I promise to cry with you for the rest of our lives. When times are happy, we'll cry tears of joy. At our big wedding, tears. As our family grows from Simcha to Simcha, tears. I love you, Lauren, and I can't wait to cry together for the rest of our lives.